I came across a quote the other day that inspired me. It said, "Your home should not be somewhere for you and other family members to just sleep and eat. Your home should be your sanctuary, a heaven away from the hustle and the bustle of the outside world, somewhere to relax and enjoy the company of those you love and to feel refreshed." And dear homemakers, to quote Shelby Dursa, stay home, wear pretty dresses, watch your children grow up, teach them about life, take care of your husband, cook meals with love, visit the bookstore when you're out and about, watch every thunderstorm, make your house a home, fall in love with being a homemaker.